Need to accept credit card payments for your business? A Chase Merchant Services account integrates payment processing with your Chase Business Banking. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This is different from a business checking account. You apply through Chase Payment Solutions. You can start online or by speaking with a Chase business banker. They'll assess your business type, average transaction size, volume, and risk profile. You'll need your business IN, banking details, and possibly financial statements. Once approved, you'll get the hardware, card reader, or software to integrate payments into your website or point-of-sale system. My crucial pro tip: negotiate your rates and understand all fees. Merchant processing has many fees: interchange, assessment, processor markup, monthly fees, etc. Don't just look at the advertised rate. Ask for a clear breakdown of all fees, and, if you have strong sales volume, don't be afraid to ask if they can offer a more competitive pricing structure. Turn customer payments into fast, secure deposits in your business account. What's the biggest challenge you've faced accepting card payments for your business? For more guides on business financial tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.